Have you ever swiped right on a dating app and wondered if the person you are looking at is actually human? Sam Altman and his company Tools for Humanity are trying to solve that exact problem with their World project. They just hosted a massive event near the San Francisco Pier to announce their next big move, and it starts directly with Tinder. Altman stood in front of a packed crowd and pointed out something we are all feeling right now. As artificial intelligence gets more powerful, we are rapidly approaching a reality where more online content is generated by machines than by actual people. World, previously known as WorldCoin, is pushing a system that proves you are a living, breathing human while keeping your identity completely anonymous. They use some heavy cryptography called zero-knowledge proof-based authentication. Basically, it is a proof of human tool for a web flooded with bots. Their main piece of hardware is that spherical digital reader called the orb, which scans your iris to create a unique identifier. And yes, that Tinder pilot program they ran in Japan last year was such a hit that they are rolling it out globally, including in the United States. If you verify yourself, you get a special emblem on your profile proving you are real. But they are not stopping at dating. They are rolling out something called Concert Kit, specifically designed to block automated scalper bots from ruining ticket sales for real fans. Big names like 30 Seconds to Mars and Bruno Mars are already on board to use this for their upcoming tours, working with platforms like Ticketmaster and Eventbrite. They are even partnering with Zoom to fight business deepfakes and DocuSign to verify authentic signatures. One of the most futuristic things they announced is agent delegation, where you can securely hand off your verified ID to an AI agent so it can do tasks for you on the web, and websites will know it represents a real person. Scaling this has been their biggest headache because making people travel to an office to stare into an orb is just not convenient. To fix this, they are flooding cities like New York, Los Angeles, and San Francisco with more orbs, and even offering an on-demand service where they bring the hardware right to your door. They are also introducing different tiers of security. If you do not want the full orb scan, you can use an NFC scan of your government ID, or even a simple low-friction selfie check that processes locally on your phone to protect your privacy. Fraudsters have always found ways around selfie checks, but giving developers different levels of security to choose from makes this whole ecosystem much more adaptable.